April, we told you about a lack of mental health care professionals in our area. Local 5 spoke to the president of the Wisconsin Psychiatric Association, who says the state needs at least 200 more psychiatrists to meet demand for care.
Well, now more of that mental health assistance could be coming to the city of Green Bay. Local 5's Robin Oginye joins us live now from the studio with more. Robin?
Tom, Aaron, that help is coming from some recent med school graduates. The Northeastern Wisconsin Psychiatric Care Clinic will officially and fully open its practice in July. And some of today's graduates will be helping to serve those who can't find the mental health help they need in our area. The Medical College of Wisconsin's 2019 class have without a doubt worked hard to follow their passions to serve, but the road to get there was not a short one.
I graduated high school in 2009, and it's kind of been just a long journey since then, so that puts us at 10 years now.
Having these grads in the area will serve us well. Some are sticking around to live out their residencies at a local clinic, providing free mental health help at a time when psychiatric professionals are few and far between.
Here in Green Bay, we do have the Medical College of Wisconsin Medical School and Psychiatry Residency Program. And with that, we have a lot of young doctors that are interested in giving back to the community. And with that, we feel we can make a little dent in that need.
A sentiment echoed by students who have already started working for the Northeast Wisconsin Psychiatric Clinic.
There's approximately 50 out of 72 counties in Wisconsin that don't have a child psychiatrist. And so it kind of came down to the interest that I have and just really wanting to go into an area where there is a huge need.
According to doctors like Guthrow, if you have insurance, it's possible that you may not be able to find a psychiatrist for months. And if you don't have insurance, it's going to be more difficult to locate those services.
The free clinic is something that we definitely need here. I think waiting list times I've heard anywhere from 3 to 6 months, especially for whether it be child or adult care. And so I think that just having a place where people can go whether or not they have insurance is just so critical. And then hopefully we can get them tied into more community services from there.
It's a critical need that's starting to be filled. And Bellin Health has been one of the clinic's biggest sponsors. The clinic has already begun to see a slow rollout of patients, but plan to open regularly once or twice Saturday morning starting in July, servicing about 20 patients. In the studio, Robin Oginye, Local 5 News.